Tired of wrestling with complicated bank connections in your Django app? Well, in the next minute and a half, we'll break down how to create the link token with Plaid in Django, making secure bank integrations a breeze. First, you will need to get yourself a Plaid account and grab those API keys. These are essential for authenticating your requests. Next, hop into your Django settings.py file and securely store these keys as environment variables. This keeps your sensitive information safe. Now, let's create a Django view. This view will use the Plaid Python library to call the Plaid API and generate a link token. This token is a secure one-use key for connecting a user's bank account. In your Django template, integrate the Plaid link UI using this freshly minted token. When the user clicks the button, Plaid's secure interface pops up, guiding them through the bank connection process. Once the user has successfully linked their account, Plaid will send a public underscore token to your application. You will then exchange this public underscore token on your server side for an access underscore token. Treat this access underscore token like gold, as it represents the user's permission to access their bank data. Now with the access token, you can now securely start accessing the riches of data like balances, transactions, and identity information. Remember, always handle these tokens and user data with utmost care. Store them securely and follow Plaid's best practices for data handling. And that's it. You've just created a link token with Plaid in Django, unlocking secure and easy bank account connections.